The journey of diamond discovery begins deep within the Earth's mantle, requiring immense natural conditions for their formation.
Diamonds are found deep within these kimberlite pipes, which is why geological surveys are so vital in locating promising sites.
The process relies on density separation. Lighter materials are washed away by the water jets, leaving the heavier diamond-bearing rock behind.
Density differences allow for the initial concentration of potential diamonds, isolating the valuable heavy minerals from the lighter ore.
The sequence is complete. Power levels are stable. Data confirms successful cleaving. Well done.
In the brilliance of the light, the true value of the finished pieces is revealed, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship.
By integrating advanced technology with rigorous ecological programs, we ensure that industrial progress goes hand in hand.
The global demand for polished diamonds has shown remarkable resilience.
Consumers are increasingly prioritizing ethical sourcing.
Known as the hardest natural material, the diamond's unique atomic structure allows it to master light, resulting in stunning refraction and dispersion.
From the depths of the earth emerged a stone of unparalleled size.
Structural integrity is exceeding projections.
And the thermal conductivity on this batch is perfect for the new heat sinks.
From the raw earth to this breathtaking elegance, we see the culmination of natural wonder and human ingenuity.